Welcome, everyone. Glad you stayed for us tonight. My name is Kent Winter. I'm the VP of Sales for EMEA and Asia, so the rest of the world. Joined here by Mike Trank, our product manager, Danny Gomez, one of our project managers. Pleased to be here today to talk to you about Apex and how we're using Web RTC. First, a little bit about Apex. Apex has been in the telecom space for 25 years. We were incorporated in 1989, and we've been doing Web RTC, work with Web RTC since the end of 2012. Our software, which is built around an application server, is installed around the world, working a lot with a lot of value-added resellers and so forth. And we've also OEM'd our software to some of the biggest names in the industry. What we provide is a service delivery platform, which is built around our application server with a primary focus on customer care, customer self-care, and value-added services. The benefits to what we're providing through the years has been a reduced time to market with our award-winning service creation environment, and our service-ready solutions, which all include and incorporate that service creation environment, which helps our customers lower their cost of using and maintaining their platforms. And at 25 years, it's a rock solid. I have customer testimonials stating that we exceed 5 nines in reliability. So we've been in the telecom space for quite a while. And what we offer as well is a mix of support for messaging, SIP, and Web RTC with a single service creation environment and a single application server. Our service delivery platform basically is deployed very quickly. And one of the reasons for that is we are able to recycle and reuse these service building blocks, which I'll bring you through shortly, which means fast service integration, a consistent user experience. By the user, I'm talking about the programmers, and a reduced time to integrate and test the platform. Some of our customers around the world, the primary focus on mobile network operators, and some of the applications which we've deployed around the world. We started out as an IVR company. We do a lot of hosted services, things like hosted network auto attendant, call interception, IN, and IMS applications, and video conferencing and hosted ACD, which we see as our primary usage of the Web RTC. Our service creation environment is a GUI-based service creation environment for voice, video, and data. It offers a high-level design, but also low-level access. This browser-based service creation environment also serves as the OAM&P interface for our platform. Looks something like this. So you can go through, you click an icon, if you will, in the call flow. This is the service design call flow. You open it up, and underneath is your service creation environment. This is for a web service, but we have many palettes of commands, things for accessing databases, SQL, LDAP, IMAP, speech recognition, IVR, fax, things like prepaid, and all types of utilities around IMS, things like diameter. And of course, business conferencing, video conferencing, and chat type applications. So what we're really focused on, and maybe a little bit different than a lot of the folks here at the show today, we basically have an IMS implementation of Web RTC. So Apex supports the standard ISC interface of the core networks. We interface to media servers via things like MSML and VXML. And then we support Web RTC endpoints using WebSocket transport for the SIP protocol. And all this lends itself, once again, with the GUI easy to create multimedia services, including ad hoc conferencing. So our overall architecture for WebRTC looks something like this. It looks like an IMS network. In fact, it can be plugged into an IMS network. So WebRTC is coming in, utilizing, we modified our SIP proxy, and then we're using our partner here at the show, Dialogic, as the MRF, as the media server for our conferencing platform. So, and then as we go through and we've been going through the market, expectations for a new service is any device to any device. And a big part of that, or the big future we see with that any device access is WebRTC. So one of the first applications that we started using WebRTC with and for is our video conferencing, and that's what we're going to be demoing for you here today. We have all the things, we've been doing conferencing for a number of years. We have all the things to be able to schedule and manage your conferences, review and change positions and do all the things that you might want to do with the conferencing platform, as well as having things like ad hoc conferencing. Apex also has other products which utilize the WebRTC. We have the Apex ACD, which we see as the other big entry point for WebRTC. But now I think we're gonna stop this and go into our video conference. Go to the video conference website based on the invitation I received. Go to join the meeting. And voila, it should be there. So I'm in the video conference. It looks like Danny over here has already started the conference. And we're coming in both on WebRTC endpoints, but Mike here has a SIP client that he's going to call in from.
Lecture.
Yeah, he was just pointing out that I should maybe switch it off to put myself in lecture mode here. But I don't like to be the star of the show all the time, so I'll put Mike in as well. So what we're doing, I think, is a little bit different in being able to have different types of clients, traditional telephony clients, and if you've got an RCS type client and so forth, you can use that because that's all based off of SIP. So I switch over to
back to tile mode.
We'll switch back over to tile mode, and we're expecting a few of our colleagues to call in here from California. See if we can get some more folks in here. There we go. Hey, Elham. Ernest. And Amber. So everybody wants to see what they look like, so let's put them up on the big screen. So it's what Apex has to offer, basically RCS for the IMS network. We hope you vote for our demonstration. We basically built here in the 10 minutes an IMS network. We have a media server, an application server, and put it all together for this demonstration. So thank you very much. Have any questions? You can reach us back here as well today. Thanks.